Pomegranates offer numerous health benefits due to their rich nutritional profile. Here are the top 5 benefits of consuming pomegranates. High in antioxidants. Pomegranates are packed with powerful antioxidants, such as punicolagens and anthocyanins, which help protect cells from damage caused by harmful free radicals. Antioxidants can potentially reduce the risk of chronic diseases and promote overall well-being. Heart health. Pomegranates are known to support heart health. The antioxidants in pomegranates help lower LDL, bad cholesterol levels, reduce blood pressure, and prevent the formation of plaque in the arteries. Regular consumption of pomegranates may lower the risk of heart disease and improve cardiovascular function. Anti-inflammatory properties. Pomegranates possess anti-inflammatory properties that can help reduce inflammation in the body. Chronic inflammation is associated with various health conditions, including heart disease, cancer, and arthritis. Consuming pomegranates may help alleviate inflammation and promote a healthier immune response. Rich in nutrients. Pomegranates are a good source of essential nutrients, including vitamin C, vitamin K, folate, and potassium. These nutrients play vital roles in maintaining overall health. Vitamin C supports the immune system, while vitamin K is important for blood clotting and bone health. Potassium helps regulate blood pressure and fluid balance in the body. Potential cancer-fighting properties. Some studies suggest that pomegranates may have anti-cancer properties. The antioxidants in pomegranates help inhibit the growth of cancer cells and promote apoptosis, cell death, in certain types of cancer, including breast and prostate cancer. However, more research is needed to fully understand the extent of pomegranates' effects on cancer prevention and treatment. It's important to note that while pomegranates offer numerous health benefits, individual results may vary. It's always a good idea to incorporate a variety of fruits and vegetables into your diet to obtain a wide range of nutrients. Digestive health. Pomegranates are rich in dietary fiber, which is essential for maintaining a healthy digestive system. Fiber promotes regular bowel movements, prevents constipation, and supports the growth of beneficial gut bacteria. Including pomegranates in your diet can contribute to improved digestion and overall gastrointestinal health. Skin health. The antioxidants in pomegranates play a role in promoting healthy skin. They help protect the skin against damage from free radicals, which can lead to premature aging and wrinkles. Additionally, pomegranates contain compounds that may help reduce inflammation and promote collagen production, resulting in improved skin elasticity and a youthful appearance. Weight management. Pomegranates are relatively low in calories and high in fiber, making them a beneficial addition to a weight management plan. The fiber content helps you feel fuller for longer, reducing cravings and the likelihood of overeating. Including pomegranates as part of a balanced diet can support healthy weight management. Cognitive function. Preliminary research suggests that pomegranates may have cognitive benefits. The antioxidants in pomegranates help reduce oxidative stress and inflammation in the brain, which may contribute to improved memory and cognitive function. While more research is needed, consuming pomegranates as part of a healthy diet may support brain health. Hydration. Pomegranates have a high water content, which can contribute to hydration. Staying properly hydrated is important for maintaining optimal bodily functions, including temperature regulation, digestion, and nutrient absorption. Enjoying pomegranates, especially during warmer months, can help keep you hydrated and refreshed. Remember, while pomegranates offer potential health benefits, they are not a cure-all. It's always best to incorporate a variety of fruits, vegetables, whole grains, lean proteins, and healthy fats into your diet to ensure a well-rounded nutrient intake.